Hello friends, now we are going to learn how to drop a database from data by the SQL commands. So first of all you have to see that there is an SQL command to create a database. If you want to see the details, please go to the video section of my YouTube channel. So now we can learn how to drop the database. So first of all you have to write the command drop database, name of your database name and semicolon. So you can run the whole database, whole the commands, or you can run only this command. Let's see what happened. Yes, so it's successfully effected, and you can see there are no data name Himadri. So by this command you can drop any database from your data. Hope this is effective. Thank you.